Hi friends, good morning. Today we are going to discuss about the mole concept. So what is the mole? It is new terms for you. Repeating myself, Aji sir from Sambed School. I welcome all of you in today's lecture. So mole is the new word to introduce before you. We are already discussed that in small amount of substance there are unnumberable atoms present. So it is already clear that atom cannot be seen, atom cannot be count. So how can we decide that the number of atom present in substance, even in very small amount? So one term is required to describe the number of atoms present in small amount of substance. So that is the concept related to mole. We are also studied, or we have also studied that mole is the SI unit for the amount of substance. Seventh SI unit, that is the mole. So if you are given small amount of substance, 1 gram only, and you are to be said count the how many atoms present in this 1 gram substance, you cannot count, because you cannot catch, you cannot touch the atom. So it was initial to describe the amount of substance by very simple unit or terms. We have so many times visited market. We have also bought 1 dozen bananas. It means you will get 12 items from the vendor. 1 dozen equal to 12 items. 1 dozen apple, then you will get 12 items apple. Another one terms which you have not heard, that is 1 score. 1 score equal to 20 items, and 1 gross equal to 12 dozen equal to 144 items. So 1 dozen containing 12 items, 1 score containing 20 items, and 1 gross containing 144 items. So for 144 items you are having the terms gross. Same way, there must be one unit that can be used for the so many numbers of atoms. How can we decide? Mass spectrometer is the instrument which can help us to count or to decide the number of atoms or to weight of atom. You will be surprised that the weight of one carbon atom, weight of or mass of one carbon atom is, mass of one carbon atom is 1.99648 into 10 raised to minus 23 grams. 10 raised to minus 23 grams. It is the mass of one carbon atom. The standard C12 is taken, and then 12 grams carbon containing 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 atoms. So you are given 12 grams carbon, and then you count the number of atom, that will be 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. Without using the power, the all digits 0 includes, then the value of 6022 1367 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13, this is the 15, total 16 digit will come. These are the number of atom present in 12 grams carbon. 12 grams carbon containing this number of atoms. Can we give the decimal point? You need 10, 100, 1000 like that. It is not possible. So we are given this value. This value, how can we decide? If there is 10 raised to 23 power 23, then we have to come back 23 digit. So this is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 and 23. Sorry, there will be 15, 16, 17, 16. Yes, this is the 16. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 and 23. So here will be 1 0 less. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 and 23. So here will be 6.022. Not required this 4 unit, only 2 enough. Then 10 raised to 23. So these are the digit we have used to calculate. These are the atoms in 12 grams carbon. 12 grams carbon equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 atoms equal to 1 mole. This is the value which is we have obtained. Now this value, how we have obtained? There is one slogan that we will decide how to count the number of atom of carbon C. So number of atom in carbon C, then mass of 1 mole, upon mass of atom carbon. So mass of 1 mole carbon is 12 gram, and mass of carbon atom just we have found the carbon atom, mass of carbon atom is 1.992648 into 10 raised to minus 23. So you just decide this 10 raised to minus 23 will become nominator, then we are having 12 in 12 grams